Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I would like to share a story about someone who means a lot to me. The title of my speech is The Close Friend I Admire. Life is full of interesting people. Some stay with us only for a short time, while others leave a lasting impact on our hearts. Among all the people I have met, there is one close friend whom I truly admire. This friend is not famous. This friend is not the richest person I know. But sometimes, the greatest people are the ones who quietly make our lives better without expecting anything in return. What I admire most is this friend's kind heart. Whenever someone needs help, this friend is always willing to listen. Even when life becomes difficult, this friend never forgets to encourage others with simple but meaningful words. I believe kindness is one of the most beautiful qualities a person can have. It doesn't require money or power. It only requires a sincere heart. Every time I spend time with this friend, I learn something valuable. I learn that patience is stronger than anger. I learn that understanding is more powerful than judging. And I learn that even a small act of kindness can brighten someone's day. One thing that always inspires me is this friend's positive attitude. Life is not always easy. We all face challenges, disappointments, and moments of uncertainty. But instead of complaining, this friend chooses to smile, stay calm, and keep moving forward. That reminds me that happiness is not about having a perfect life. It is about choosing hope, even when life becomes difficult. Another reason I admire this friend is honesty. In today's world, honesty is sometimes difficult to find. Many people say what others want to hear, but a true friend tells the truth with kindness and respect. A true friend celebrates your success. A true friend also stays beside you when you fail. That is the kind of friendship I admire. I also admire this friend's humility. No matter how many achievements this friend reaches, there is never a feeling of pride or arrogance. Instead, this friend continues to respect everyone, whether they are young or old, successful or still chasing their dreams. Humility is a quiet strength. It doesn't need attention. It simply shines through actions. Sometimes, we think heroes only exist in movies or history books, but I believe heroes also exist in our everyday lives. They are the people who encourage us when we lose confidence. They remind us not to give up. They believe in us before we believe in ourselves. To me, my close friend is one of those everyday heroes. There was a time when I felt uncertain about my future. I questioned my abilities. I wondered if I was good enough to achieve my dreams. Instead of criticizing me, this friend simply said, "Keep going. Every small step will take you closer to where you want to be." Those simple words stayed in my heart. Sometimes, encouragement is more valuable than advice. It gives us the courage to continue. As time passed, I realized that friendship is not measured by how often we meet. It is measured by trust, respect, and genuine care. Real friendship remains strong, even when distance separates us. It survives because it is built on honesty and understanding. This friend has taught me that every relationship requires patience. No one is perfect. We all make mistakes. But forgiveness, communication, and kindness keep friendships alive. Whenever I think about this friend, I feel grateful. Grateful for every conversation. Grateful for every laugh we shared. Grateful for every lesson that helped me become a better person. One day, I hope I can become the kind of friend that I admire. Someone who listens without judging. Someone who encourages without expecting anything in return. Someone who brings peace instead of problems. Because I believe the world becomes a better place when we choose to become better friends to one another. As I finish this story, I want to leave you with a simple thought. Think about someone you admire. It could be your best friend, a family member, a teacher, or someone who quietly changed your life. Don't wait too long to appreciate them. Tell them how much they mean to you. Sometimes, a few sincere words can become the most beautiful gift. Thank you, my dear friend, for your kindness, your patience, and your support. You may never realize how much you have inspired me, but because of you, I continue to believe in hope, kindness, and the beauty of true friendship. Thank you for listening. I hope this story reminds you to appreciate the people who make your life brighter. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next English storytelling practice.